Diploma in International Financial Reporting, Dip-IFR, is an international qualification in IFRS offered by ACCA. This program is intended for professionals working in accounting, audit, and finance who want to take a qualification exam in international financial reporting and broaden their knowledge of the theoretical and practical aspects of IFRS. At Vertex Learning Solutions, we pride ourselves on offering top-notch preparation course for the ACCA Diploma in IFRS. Our team of experienced instructors are dedicated to helping you succeed in this challenging exam. The course includes detailed topic lectures, extensive practice question videos, tutor slides, detailed notes, online quizzes, plus tutor support. Our detailed study plans provide detailed guidance on how to prepare for your exams. Following the customized study plan, make sure that you will complete the preparation well in time without missing any key area. This course is a global bestseller course on IFRS and has above-average pass rate. Don't leave your success to chance. Enroll in Vertex Learning Solutions preparation course today and take the first step towards becoming a certified IFRS professional.